I'm Crystal.
And I'm Rebecca.
And today we're going to be doing our first mukbang. And this today, I don't know. Today we're having Del Taco and we're going to eat because we're starving. And this is only like, the hunger is real. This is our second time eating Del Taco. So we got a burrito. What are they called? The Macho Burrito. Combo Burrito. Oh my goodness.
We forgot
the burrito is coming. Yeah, we're having our grapefruit zevia.
Yes. So if you watch our healthy grocery haul, you'll see our grapefruit zevias. And this will wash down our burrito.
And here are our burritos. They're massive. And we're going to try to eat like ladies, although it's never been a straight.
Oh my goodness.
We've considered not doing mukbangs because of how we eat, but we're going to try our best. I don't like big bites. That's sauce in it. I got a lot of meat though. Oh, I thought it was good. Okay.
Good spice to it.
Yeah. These burritos are seriously delicious, so I recommend this one. It's the first bite I had, and it's the first time I had it.
Last time I think we got like
some grilled beef tacos,
soft
street tacos. I probably have food all over my face.
Burritos. We're gonna try to eat.
So we apologize. It's not a gift of ours to eat like ladies. But this is good, you guys.
Yes,
I'm picky about burritos because I feel like so many times with the inside I'm gonna try to do what people do, but it's probably gonna look so disgusting.
These are like half a pound, I'm not even kidding. And it has a nice kick to it.
Yeah, it has a kick. So many times they're just not that good.
We love spice and we love salt.
Okay. This is bad. I'm making a mess. We're gonna have to cut me out.
Just use it out.
Are these pinto beans?
I love
other beans.
If you guys didn't know this, we love pinto beans and pinto beans.
We love a lot of Mexican food.
So,
this is pretty good.
I've always been afraid of a mukbang. Because I'm not the neatest eater and I don't think I look pretty when I eat.
So we might have to keep this short.
But we're kind of obsessed with mukbangs.
Oh my goodness.
So,
Chef Papas. I love her videos and I like her dad's videos. I feel like one of us is going to end up taking a really nasty bite. I was going to ask you guys, what's our favorite food? Because I think we like Mexican food the best.
And Chinese.
Chinese is good, but Mexican food, I like whatever I'm eating in the moment. That's my new favorite.
I think I'm going to get some of this Inferno sauce. It's called Del Taco Del Inferno sauce.
You want some? I want some napkins.
It's very spicy.
You want some of this? Sure.
Which I love because I feel
like it's already got some spice to it.
I feel like most hot sauces aren't hot enough, and this one's nice because it it has a kick.
This Inferno sauce is pretty spicy. If you've ever had it, it's good, but it definitely adds a kick. So let's see. Oh, the person was so nice when we went the other day. I asked for like 3 hot sauce because I didn't know how big they were, and he gave me a huge bunch.
Does anybody think this tastes like hot sauce mixed with chipotle? Chipotle? Is that how you said that flavor that I'm not usually a big fan of?
This is a bit,
but this is pretty good.
Oh man, I like spice.
And thank you to Alicia Marie for giving us this idea. She had a Del Taco mukbang. We'd never been there, and we're like, we're going. And I was gonna mention an update on the grapefruit zevia. We love it. It doesn't have any bitter aftertaste. I was gonna say this doesn't have any bitter aftertaste.
It's very sweet. It tastes like kind of like
really good.
You would have an orange soda or
almost a Sprite
that would already have.
It's like a Sprite with a light hint of grapefruit, but it's not too grapefruit.
You need it with that sauce. I don't know why, but it's spicy to me and it sort of overtakes the flavor. I put too much on.
Really good though. So we want to know how you guys have been. I know it's been a while since we've been on YouTube.
Oh yeah. And so much has changed in our life, so we know that so much has changed in yours too.
Yeah.
Because we're not in 10th grade anymore like we were when we started. So what's going on with you? Are you working? Have you graduated college? We've graduated college.
Do you have like an internship somewhere? Because I love watching those videos.
Yeah, where are you working?
A business?
Do you have your kids? We're 23, so we realized that patterns in life have changed.
And comment down below, what are your favorite healthy snacks? Because we love snacks, we love food. So we're just curious. We filmed a healthy grocery haul if you haven't seen it yet. It should be up before this video.
I think there's onions in here.
Are there? I think there's chili.
I think there are. Yeah, there are onions.
There's beans
too. The beans are like gushing out.
I know.
That's such a gross word.
You guys, this is so good. Actually, because I'm so hungry right now, I thought I would be like fuller, but I'm not. Oh, tell us who your favorite mukbangers are.
Such a funny name.
We love watching those
for our first mukbang, this probably was a horrible choice of food because we probably just looked disgusting, but
it's okay. We can be part of that video I heard about that shows all the mukbangers and like how they eat, and I think we should be added to it. So if you do see us in a comment.
You know what's funny? So one thing we used to love to do, in such a weird way before mukbangs were even a thing, was watch people eat. Because we've been off sugar for so long, anybody who was eating dessert, we were all eyes and we just wanted to watch.
That sounds so weird.
Our family thought it was weird. Everybody thought it was weird, and now it's a trend, and now we want to be a part of it.
We were trendsetters before we knew it.
Yeah. Anybody who would have a cookie, we wanted to watch everybody. Because we wanted to feel like we were eating it.
So I wasn't eating it, but this is really good.
Yeah, this is so good.
I feel like I wait till I was too hungry to eat, and I didn't think I was that hungry.
But then you get shaky and your blood sugar gets low, and you're like, wow, I need to eat.
I don't know about you guys, but we really missed being on YouTube, and the biggest thing too was missing you guys.
We haven't posted in a while, and we'd get comments on our videos. And people like said it helped them, or one of our dessert bullet videos somebody would comment on from like a month ago, and we were like, wow, it's been years that that's like people watch these, you know? And people are so nice, and we love you guys. And we just want to get back into this and help you guys get to know us better. So if you have any questions or video requests, please leave them down below.
We can do a Q&A sometime.
Because we need some video requests.
And also,
yeah, just comment down below how you're doing, what videos you want to see. You know, some of the drive-through videos can be a challenge just because we don't eat sugar, so as much as we love the idea of it, we didn't want to like waste money if someone in front of us orders 3 frappuccinos.
We don't eat like dessert sugar. We do eat sugar and barbecue and like
carbs, but
we try to limit it.
And it's just because it keeps us healthy. It's not like a weight loss thing. It's just like to keep us healthy. Just literally health.
Because you feel better, and it's just better for your body, and you're just, you know.
Yeah, and
watch it over your temper.
I started developing some food allergies, so that gave some restrictions, and so we're just trying to kind of.
Hopefully, there's no peanuts in there.
I know. This is why we have to stay away from like Thai foods and like some Chinese foods because I'm allergic to almonds and peanuts. So I'm getting like, I'm really getting full.
I feel like I'm gonna watch back this video and be like, I am just such a pig like the entire video.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna want to cut it, but you guys, we're doing this for you.
We will
cut out every scene that we're eating because
this video may never be seen.
So I think we're getting
pretty full.
I'm
done, you guys. I hit that point of richness, and it's not even that I'm full, it's that it's so rich I can't handle more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys!